Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change BRZ spark plugs, easy method. Start by gathering the correct spark plug model, gap tool, spark plug socket, ratchet, torque wrench, anti-seize, and dielectric grease. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and work with a cool engine. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent sparks. Cover openings and keep fasteners organized. Take photos if you need to remember wire routing for reassembly. With tools ready, remove engine covers and unplug ignition coils, pulling them straight up to protect the boots. Clean each spark plug well using compressed air or a vacuum to remove dirt. Use a spark plug socket with a short extension and ratchet to break the plug loose, turning slowly and steadily. Extract the old plug, inspect for oil or unusual wear, and set it aside for reference. Keep parts organized for reassembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future how-to guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It keeps your garage tidy while you wrench. On another note, this small convenience saves time and keeps parts clean when working on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare each new plug by checking and setting the gap to spec. Then apply a light coat of anti-seize to the threads and a dab of dielectric grease inside the boot. Hand thread plugs into the cylinder to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with a torque wrench to the manufacturer specification for accuracy. Reinstall ignition coils and connectors, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to confirm smooth idle. Double-check for any error lights or leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.